What does your video player say about your brand? Most people don't think about this question and they either end up using a YouTube embed or a default player. The result, compromising on user experience, branding, and control. So, what's the alternative? Now, there are two ways to actually create your branded video player. So the first one is to build it from scratch. For most brands, this means asking your developers to write custom codes, blah, blah, blah. Basically build it from scratch. There is control, but it's time consuming and costly. And in 2026, that's an overkill. The second option is using a no-code tool. And if you're someone like me who is not tech savvy and want a quick solution, this is the way to go. You can set up faster, need basic technical knowledge, and most importantly, build the player visually. But most of the time, the expenses can go high up, and that sucks. Hi, I'm Roshni from Sato, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually build your custom video player using Sato Player. If you're a no-code developer like my teammates and struggle with your client's requirement for a video player on your site, this video is for you. To build your video player, just create your Sato Player account here. Go to Create New Player, name your player, then go to Add Video and upload your video. Change the look of the player, control the way the video behaves on your site, save the changes, copy the embed code and paste it wherever you want the player to be embedded into. Yup, it is that simple. Your sites can have your branded video player. And this gives your website a better experience than having an ugly YouTube button or unrelated recommendation. Sato is built for no-code developers because you already have too much on your plate. And to build a video player from scratch is so $19.99. Go to satoplayer.com and start using Sato for free and let me know in the comments if it actually helps you. Like this video because this helps us reach more people, and share this with your no-code fam. And finally, subscribe to this channel to know more about video player and no-code development. See you soon.